So, what causes a sync to fail? Throughout the previous videos in this playlist, we've already mentioned a few common reasons as to why the sync may fail, specific to the modules or topics being discussed in those videos. For a recap, they were 1. The potentially left unspecified primary contact in the contacts module sync, 2. The left blank item codes that barred the sync through the invoices and product modules, 3. The reconciliation block when it came to manual sync, and 4. Unfilled or unticked add to zero specifics during an instant sync. There are, however, many other very common technicalities. To wrap this up, I'll go through a few more of them, just to make sure that this playlist can help address as many of your issues as possible. So, among these issues, 3 very notable causes are 1. A change in the API key or ID file code. For reference, this API key is the same one that specifies the zero ID files that are being synced, which was discussed in the Can I Sync Multiple Zero ID Files video. To fix this, the new ID code or API key will need to be updated in the extension portal to allow the sync to start working again. Then in number 2, we have the item tax versus total tax settings conflict. What's happening here is that our plugin can't work simultaneously with both these types of tax. So when 2 items or invoices, including one of each, are being synced together, the sync might fail. To solve this, anything that syncs the pages one at a time will work. For instance, if you have a record with item tax and a few records that have total tax, you can sync the item tax record individually through an instant sync and then schedule the rest of them for an auto sync. Again, for reference, details regarding the way those particular syncs work are gone through in detail in the Can I Sync an Auto Sync and Can I Do an Instant Sync videos.